I take my picture. Yeah.
Can you show me the horse? Can you hand out like this? That works.
What's there?
What's that?
Nothing there?
Not yet.
Oh, phew. You scared me. Well, we're still looking for famous people. He said there was one here, but
Maybe I might show up. I don't know.
maybe.
Maybe.
How about right
It's a little bit of force.
now? You saw it, I did. Nope.
I'm talking about Cantina. We're gonna be standing at the bar.
Okay. All right.
45 minutes. We just asked if you stay here.
Thank you. Well, couldn't find anybody famous, especially the Tim Tracker. But yeah, well, I'm gonna drink my blues away in a bar. Just, you know, found a random bar in a random galaxy, far, far away. Ooh. Let's see what type of trouble we can get into.
Rising food!
Yes.
It's all those bubbles. How'd you know?
There. The bubbles. All right. Let's go check out Rex.
That's not the line. I actually don't mind it. There's a danger perhaps on the carpet saying, wait! What?
Uh-oh.
That was fun. Ooh. Does anyone else know charter circuits? Probably nothing important.
Where's some of that? Well, that was Olga's Cantina. Ooh, fancy. Bye now. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Safe travels.
Hey, it got dark out here. Well, guys, I've traveled the world and now the galaxy looking for the tracker. Couldn't track the Tim Tracker. But we made it to wherever this is. that the Millennium Falcon? That's amazing. Cool. Well, I guess I get to enjoy this while you guys stick around to watch the next one. See you soon. What do you think, guys? Should I take that home? I get there faster, I think.
I got